there. Just picking some little cherry tomatoes off of a plant I have here at my porch. They're always good to kind of just go outside and pick a couple to eat here and there. Have a few plants down here at our porch instead of always having everything at the garden area. But it makes it nice because I can just step outside and have a little snack of cherry tomatoes. So wanted to share with you something else that we did this year. Everybody's familiar with having the bell peppers. So bell peppers are kind of a standard that a lot of people use, and we know the taste of it and everything. This year we planted another type of pepper right here. This one is called a Big Daddy sweet pepper. And from what everybody tells me, it tastes pretty much just like the bell pepper. Now you're thinking, well, why don't I say it? I still can't taste much of anything after having COVID almost 2 years ago. My taste is still off, so I have to rely on other people. But they tell me that these pretty much taste the same. They just look different. People are not familiar with this. It looks a little funny, but it's kind of fun too, especially you watching them grow and you see that they're getting along and everything. So again, this is a Big Daddy sweet pepper, and this is just your standard bell pepper. So y'all try it sometime. Let me know what you think. Well, I've been working on okra today, and this is something that I make for my husband. He's diabetic, so he needs snacks that are very low in sugar and carbs and different things like that. This okra, I kind of wrap it in kind of an egg mixture with some seasonings. And I've got my grandson Wyatt here today, and that's a boy that doesn't eat much of anything. He's pretty picky, but he is going to actually eat one okra just to see if he might like it. So choose one. Okay, pop it in your mouth and eat it. Chew it up. Not going too well? Look here at me. Look here at me. Is it not going too well? Okay. You got it down, didn't you? So is this something you'd ever eat again?
No.
No, not your cup of tea, huh?
Nope.
Hey, that's pretty brave of you, though. Good for you to try things. You never know, you might like something. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, what I'm doing today is I'm transplanting some pawpaws. I put a bunch of seeds that I thought had gone bad into like 3 pots and put them in my greenhouse. And I'd water them every once in a while thinking, oh, there's nothing there, but what if? Well, they started coming up quite a bit. So now I'm transplanting them into individual pots. Now with the pawpaw, the roots, as you can see, are very long. So about this much of it is root. And it comes from one seed. So I have to make sure that I have a big pot to transplant it in. And so that the root gets all the way down and doesn't get harmed. I'm just using some recycled dirt from the greenhouse because I don't have any fresh right now. And it'll be ready to go this fall. Well, we're trying something new. Over at Brent's house, he's got his house up on hillside, and that hillside constantly is getting filled with all kinds of greenery, and it gets poison ivy, and he's very allergic to poison ivy. So we have fenced off. You can probably see that green fencing there, the yellow top on it. We fenced it off with an electric fence, and we have added some goats in there to try to help mow that down, kind of in a natural way. They get this done, then we'll try another area. And if this works out well enough, I might consider doing this elsewhere. If people have areas that they need to get kind of mowed down naturally, might do that. So we'll see. Here we got Toots. She's loving it already. It's like, ooh, all the stuff I can eat. Then we got Greta. She's kind of down the hill there. It's a little cooler. She's down in the shade and she's eating down through there. Her baby is somewhere probably around her. We're milking the goat because the baby's getting weaker. Not sure if it's getting enough or what's going on. So we're going to milk her and try to bottle feed the baby a day or two and make sure it's getting enough, see if it gets any stronger. Well, it looks like you've been really busy in here making a canned dispenser so that we can put like soup cans and vegetables and different things like that. Mount this on the wall. It's going to be a space saver and it's looking pretty good. I guess a person could paint it if they wanted it or leave it natural wood. Are you doing pretty good with it?
I reckon. It's going together.
Yep. And now you're making another one?
Yep.
This one's going to be a little deeper, so because cans come in small size and bigger sizes, so he's making another sized one. We have a sunflower that has a flower on this side and on this side. I've never seen one do that before, but it's kind of unique. You're inside the sunflower house.
We want sunflower.
Okay,
that's
sunflower cave, yeah.
Hey, over here, look. We want sunflower. Dad, can you pick a sunflower seed for me? I want a sunflower. Look at this root. Look at this root.
Next year I'll try to plant more so it'll really close it in well.
Thank you for watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also see us on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe.